let's breathe together. Start with your posture and on your back with your legs uncrossed. Your bed, the floor, the sofa, maybe your recliner kicked back. Or sit up in a chair, rock side to side on your sit bones, plant them evenly and firmly, and knees bent at 90 degrees. Feet that narrow hip distance apart, planted firmly with the toes facing forward. Now lift your chest and gently tuck your chin back towards your neck and open that channel the neck vertebrae create. And make room for the air and the blood and the nervous system to flow freely between the brain and the body. Good. Now pull the air in through both nostrils and allow your whole body to breathe. Pull the air down, and as the diaphragm pushes down, making room for the air, the belly rises up and gets a gentle squish and a massage on the internal organs. And then let it go and let your body gently lengthen and flatten as you let the air flow out. And then do it again, drawing in through the nostrils, warming, filtering, humidifying the air, all the way down to the bottom lobes of the lungs where the majority of the blood circulates. Good exchange between carbon dioxide and oxygen. And then let it go. And you can go out either through your mouth or your nose, whichever works most comfortably for you. And now place one hand on the belly and one on the rib cage and feel your body as you breathe. Feel it rise up with the inhale and feel it lengthen and flatten with the exhale. Good. A complete, relaxed, calm breath. Easy. Not trying too hard because then we mess things up. Just allowing the breath to flow as you pull it in and pull it all the way down. And then letting it go and letting it spill out as you lengthen and flatten. Good. This morning, let's do some isometric exercises that strengthen the neck. It's a big job to do, holding our heads up. Bring your right hand up to your head and place the heel of your palm right at the level of your temple. Look straight ahead and hold that position and resist as you push with your right hand. And breathe. Breathe 3 to 5 breaths as you push. And when the breath's complete, release the breath and release the tension with the hand. Good. Now do it again, and this time as you push and create the tension, see if you notice that tension has spilled into other parts of your body that aren't needed, and see if you can release the tension that isn't needed as you hold the tension with the hand. Right hand against the right temple, palm, the heel of the palm right into the temple, face forward. Inhale and push. And continue the breath, releasing the breath and pulling it in again. Breathing 3 to 5 long breaths. And see if you can release tension someplace in your body where it isn't needed. Good. Now exhale and release the hand down. Good. Now gently turn your head to the left. Don't go any further than it goes easily. And then gently rotate and turn your head to the right. Good. Back to center and bring your left hand up. Place the heel of your palm, your left palm, into the left temple. Face forward. Inhale and push. And breathe. Breathe those 3 to 5 breaths and see if there's tension someplace else in your body that you can release. Find just one place and let it go, and then maybe find another, and breathe 3 to 5 breaths. Good. And when the breath is complete, release the hand and release the tension. Good. Now do it again. Left palm into the left temple. Face forward. And push. And resist the push with your head. And breathe. Breathe those 3 to 5 breaths. Find a place where there's extra tension and let it go. And breathe. Good. Now release the tension and release the hand down. Good. And again, turn your head and look to the left. Not forcing, just allowing. And then turn your head and look to the right. And make sure you're breathing. Tendency is when we do physical things, we like to hold our breath. Who knows why? But as you turn your head to the left, inhale. And exhale back to center. And then inhale and turn your head to the right. Gently. And then exhale back to center. Good. Bring either hand up to the forehead and place the heel of the palm onto the forehead. And with your face forward and your neck straight, push with the heel of your palm and resist the push with your head. And hold and breathe. And notice any extra tension and let it go in just one place and maybe another as you breathe the 3 to 5 breaths. Pushing with your hand, resisting with your head. And when the breath's complete, release the hand down. Good. Now bring the other hand up and place the heel of the palm against the forehead. Inhale and push. With your hand, resist with your head and breathe. Find tension that needs to go and let it go as you push and breathe 3 to 5 breaths. Can you drop your shoulders and maintain the push? Try it. And when the breath is complete, release. Good. Now pull the breath in and make it a complete breath. Fill it to the top, and at the top, do the 3 sniffs. And then exhale and let it go and let it flow out, either through your mouth or your nose, all the way to the bottom, and then puffs, 3 puffs out, letting go of the last bit, and do it again. Pull it in with 3 sniffs at the top, and let it go and flow out with 3 puffs at the bottom. A complete breath, even and balanced. Great place to bring your attention during the day to regulate your breath back into that easy pattern. a good stress relief breath. Good. And now this morning, let's breathe to a benefit of the breath and use that as our mantra to occupy our mind. And the mind tries to take away like a train without a track. And so we channel it, we put it on a track, and we hold it there with a mantra. And this morning, our benefit of the breath is the breath tends to balance the acid-alkaline ratio in the body. And when it does that, it's a great help with stress. So we balance the acid-alkaline base, and we have a better ability to handle stressful situations. And as we breathe in and breathe out, our mantra is helps handle stress. So focus your mind, pull your eyes up to that spot between the eyebrows, half inch up and half inch in, and hold your gaze there. And as you breathe, helps handle stress. Good. Breathe it, pulling the air in, rounding as you fill to the top. Exhaling, letting it flow out through either the nose or the mouth. And as you breathe, helps handle stress. And if your mind tries to take you on a trip, bring it back. Gently bring it back, not now. Helps handle stress. Breathe it in, fill to the top, and let it go. Exhale it out, and let it flow out. Helps handle stress. Good. Keep breathing. Bringing your mind back, holding your gaze at the eyebrow point. Balancing the acid-alkaline base in your body, and repeating the mantra helps handle stress. And a little congratulations to yourself for practicing and doing all that for yourself. Helps handle stress. Focus at the brow point. Round up on the inhale. Gently lengthen and flatten on the exhale. Helps handle stress. And create the balance. A good way to start the day. A good way to take a break during the day. A good way to put yourself to sleep at night. Good. And may the long-time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. Have a great day.